client meets with me for the first time, what can they expect? Probably to meet me like this. I promise to show up in court or you're hearing in a suit, but I'm a casual guy. We're relaxed. We are a nice and friendly office. Before you ever meet with me, you'll talk with my staff. And chances are, if you meet with me, not chances, certainly if you meet with me, that's because you liked my staff. We are friendly and outgoing and down to earth. I believe that if you can't leave my office with a reason to smile, then I really failed at my job. No one comes here on a roll. Everybody's business is serious, but that doesn't mean we have to sit and huddle together and cry. We can find the things to look forward to. I'm a down-to-earth guy, but I'm also an explainer, and you can see that through my blog articles. At this point, I think I have nearly 1,000, and I write and publish 2 new articles each week. I believe in explaining things. I want to know what's going on, and when somebody comes to see me, I want them to understand what's going on, what's happening, and why. I'm well prepared to answer the most detailed questions for somebody who's into that, and I'm also prepared for the person who doesn't want the long version to say, short version, we got it, it'll be fine.